The Chevrolet Captiva, produced from 2006 to 2020, has developed several well-documented recurring problems that owners should be aware of. As of 2025, most Captivas are now 5 to 15 years old, making these problems more prevalent and better understood by mechanics and owners. The most common major issue is timing chain problems, particularly in 2.4-liter engines. Symptoms include rattling noises on cold startup, engine misfiring, and metal shavings found in the oil. Transmission problems are also widespread, especially in the 6T70 automatic transmission. Common symptoms include harsh shifting, gear slipping, and transmission overheating. Many Captivas suffer from excessive oil consumption, burning up to 1 quart per 1,000 miles. This creates blue smoke from the exhaust and frequent low oil warnings. Electrical system malfunctions are common, including intermittent starting problems, random dashboard warning lights, and power window failures due to corroded connections. Suspension and steering problems include clunking noises over bumps, excessive tire wear, and poor handling due to premature failure of strut mounts and control arm bushings. Understanding these 5 main problem areas is crucial for current and potential Captiva owners. Statistics show a 35 to 40% chance of major repairs by 100,000 miles, with average annual repair costs ranging from $600 to $1,200. Now that we've identified the common problems, let's explore how to diagnose and fix these Captiva issues effectively. We'll cover the symptoms, diagnostic steps, and repair solutions for each major problem area. Timing chain problems are among the most serious issues in Captivas. The first warning sign is a rattling noise during cold starts, especially in the morning. The repair typically requires complete timing chain replacement, including the tensioner and guides. This is a major repair costing between $1,500 and $3,000, but it's essential to prevent catastrophic engine damage. Transmission issues in Captivas often involve the valve body, which controls hydraulic pressure and gear shifting. Here's what the valve body looks like and how it functions. For transmission problems, start with a fluid flush and filter replacement, which costs $200 to $400. If problems persist, valve body replacement may be needed, costing $800 to $1,500. Excessive oil consumption is another common problem. The PCV system, shown here, regulates crankcase pressure and prevents oil from being burned in the combustion chamber. Start with PCV valve replacement, which costs $50 to $150. If oil consumption continues, a top-end engine rebuild may be necessary, costing $2,000 to $4,000. Electrical problems often start with corroded ground connections like this one. These connections are critical for proper electrical system operation. Clean and protect ground connections first, which costs $100 to $200. If problems persist, the body control module may need replacement, costing $400 to $800. Suspension issues typically involve the strut mounts and control arm bushings. Here are the key components that commonly fail in Captivas. Strut mount replacement costs $300 to $600 per side, while control arm bushing replacement ranges from $200 to $400. These repairs restore ride quality and handling. The key to avoiding these expensive repairs is proactive maintenance. Regular oil changes, transmission services, and early problem detection can save thousands of dollars in major repairs.